Hey everybody, this is Rapid Fills here, and today I'm bringing you a new video. I'm just going to talk about a little bit about this stock that was running today, which is AEHR. So let's dissect this move really quick, right? Obviously, we start from the daily. The top chart here, it's the daily. The bottom one is the intraday. I have 3 minutes here. This is the daily. And we go obviously from higher time frames to smaller time frames. So as you can see here, we have some kind of flag that was forming. So it broke out of that and it was holding, and it breakout after breakout, right? So after this breakout and consolidation, now you have another breakout, or if you will, we have another breakout right here. And now we broke out of it, retested it, and popped back up. Inside day, pop, pullback, another pullback, came back to the moving average. Now we have a better flag, if you will, because the flag that pulls back to the moving averages is a better on the breakout than actually having just a small pullback, right? Even though this one was a pretty nice tight stop to the move, but this one is more reliable, right? We know that from technical analysis. Anyways, we pull back and then we break it, come back, retest it again. It's the same scenario here. Come back, retest that, and it breaks out today. A lot of people are shorting this name. What I saw is a lot of people on Twitter, they're just shorting this name. Now you have to think about, one, is this chart is not broken. This is the first day. The prior day is red, so this is the first day, first gap up. It's a valuable, like a solid trading setup for the long side, right? So when you see a flag and pulling back like that, and it's an all-time high, what I see from here, like a lot of people going to be buying this name, right? So I'm not sure why a lot of people are short. Let me do this, so you guys can subscribe and follow us on Facebook and everything. So this morning, as you can see, it broke out again. It's putting that flag, or whatever you want to call that. I call this a W, so whatever you want to call it. Anyways, it breaks out, and then the trend flips bearish. Flips bearish all the way to here, and then it opens and it runs, and everybody's looking at this high where it rejected prior to hold. That's a solid one. But what do you need to know? Again, it's literally from last week's video, right? Or Monday, I think, or the beginning of the week, that this thing rejected, came back up. Rejected doesn't mean this thing has to go all the way down. It's just going to go to the next support. And this short, it would have produced a nice risk to reward. And then you can see everybody got squeezed. Now, this resistance became support. And we have a new resistance, right? This is technical analysis. Now we have this washing machine. People are fighting. You can see it takes 5 candles to bring it down, 1 candle to squeeze out. Ton of candles to come down, 1 candle to squeeze out. You can tell shorts are trying to short this, and this thing just squeeze them out. And then finally breaks. And this is again from the last week video, I think. It broke out, tried to hold, couldn't hold, and it snapped. Now at this point, what we have, oops, moved the wrong line here. But what we have is the trend just snapped. Boom, lower high. This would have been the perfect entry for a short to get the backside. Now, a lot of people are trying it here, adding here, they get squeezed, stop out. They short it here, they add it here, and then they get squeezed out again. And then again and again and again, until the longs actually get trapped on the breakout, and then snaps, it puts a lower high for it to come down. So always look support, resistance, what is the stock doing on the daily, and this is how you generate your ideas. This thing is a solid daily setup from here, and what are you trying to short is your short is fighting all the longs. So now you have intraday longs, you have swing traders long, you have all these guys that you're fighting against, right? So bottom lines, in my opinion, these quick shorts off of support and resistance are quick scalps until the trend breaks, and this is when you can take advantage of trend. And to the other side, to the downside, when the long strap on the opposite is when longs or shorts are trapped, like here when it broke, you get those squeezes, right? So I hope this helped you guys. Let me know in the comment below if you have any questions or you need any help with your trading. Again, make sure to join the chat, and I'll see you in there. Take care, guys.